Hello everyone. I have some upsetting news. All of you guys who have followed me through my trials of the Emerald Lagasse, you know that I love that Emerald Lagasse air fryer slash pressure canner. A pressure cooker, and I use it for canning. That has come to an end. It went out on me. One day I was trying to cook some beans and I'm just chilling in the living room and I'm like, I don't smell nothing. Well, come to find out, I get up to check it and the reason why I don't smell anything is because it's not cooking. So the air fryer portion is still working and I was using that for the longest time. But when you have been used to cooking collard greens in like 5 minutes, it's no way you about to go back on the stove and just start cooking collard greens again. I'm old school, but y'all can have that. So my mom was surprised that it took me this long to go out and purchase a new pot. So again, I went with the same thing. She is amazed that I went back out and I got the same combo. I just like that combo. But this time I got me a Ninja Foodi. I've had this thing for it's going on 2 months. I can't believe I hadn't opened it either, but we're about to unbox it today and we're gonna see what's going on with it. I don't even know if this thing works. I don't have it this whole time. I hope it works. You see me pulling up the Target saying, hey, remember when I bought this? It don't work. Pressure lid. Oh wow. This is a little bit more compact than my Emerald Lagasse. Oh, it's cute too. She's pretty. Okay. So far so good. I like what I'm seeing. Looks like I won't be getting my hands burned going down in there. The only thing is, it seems like the pot is wider and not as like long, deep. So I think it's the same amount of quarts. So I'm not giving up anything on the quarts end. I'll take all the good stuff out of it and you'll see her sitting over here. So with this Ninja Foodi, they give you a recipe book, owner's guide, and a cooking cheat sheet. Here when I have the air fryer lid comes up and then you just place the pressure lid on top when you want to use that. It comes with one pot, a cook and crisp, which I did not have with my Emerald Lagasse, and a broiling rack. So let's test it out and see what's gonna happen, okay? We're gonna start off and we're gonna test it with some water because that is what the instructions call for us to do. 2 minutes. Y'all know I'm choosing joy. Lock her in place. Turn her on. Pressure. We're gonna do it at high. And then it tells us to do 2 minutes. So now we know that it's working and we can begin to test out some of our food. I can lay 3 strips of bacon down in this thing without bunching them up. So that is another bonus from the Emerald Lagasse. So hey, everything is not all bad. Just take it in stride. We're going to put it on air crisper. I am going to take the temperature down because this is going to be cooking while I'm getting ready for work. How many minutes do you want it to go? Definitely not 20. So let's do Let's do 9. Well, make it an even 10. Perfect.